Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to be doing this super cool text in video text masking effect for TikTok and Instagram reels using CapCut on your phone. Now before we jump into it, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos. Okay, let's put some video inside some text. So here we are in CapCut, and the first thing we want to do is start a new project, go to stock videos and choose this black screen. Tap add, and now we need to change the format. So go down to the bottom of the screen, tap format and choose 9:16. Once we've done that, we can add some text. So tap on text, add text, and we'll just type text. Choose a nice font and then use two fingers to resize it so that it fills the screen. Once we've done that, we're going to export that. So go up to the export icon in the top right. Once that's exported, we're going to start a new project. We're going to find the video that we want to use. Let's use this one. We're going to tap trim that to where we want it. And then we're going to tap add. So that's the video we have so far. Now we're going to tap overlay, add overlay, and we're going to choose that text video that we just exported. We're going to tap add, use two fingers to stretch it out so that it's the same size. You'll know when it's the same size because the border goes white, and then we're just going to choose Splice and tap darken. And it's as simple as that. And that's it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up because it really helps the channel. And if you have any questions at all, ask us in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.